Hey crafties, this is Kimberly with Sky Creation. So I wanted to bring you along as I'm making a sunflower made out of cardstock. So I am using the Encore textured cardstock from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. As you see here, I am cutting it with my Locklick iCraft, and I'm using a really nice color, which is the golden amber, for the actual flower petals, and then also the mocha color for the center of the sunflowers. So as you see here, you will be needing 4 of the larger petal sizes, 2 of the smaller petal sizes, and 2 of the mini center buds. So we will start off by stacking the 4 larger petal sizes and using either like your fingernail or just your thumb, place it through the center of each of the little petals of the sunflower. And as you see here, so I'm pinching it upward. I'm using my thumb and my nail to crease it. If you have a paper shaping tool, you can also use that as well. And we will repeat this process with the 2 smaller petal sizes. So just continuing on, folding it through the middle using either your finger or pinching it upward or a paper shaping tool. And as you get more comfortable, this process would be a little bit faster, and you could stack the layers together or do them one by one. When we get to the brown cardstock, you are going to want to use a different paper tool to curl them upwards. So here I'm using actually a wooden kebab stick. It's been one of my favorite tools to use, but as you see here, I'm curling them upward, giving them a nice little twist and twirl to get that nice center bud ready, and then I'll do the other one. So these I do curl them separately just because I want the middle one to be much more closed off than the other one, and we're going to glue the bud into the other layer here. So as you see here, I'm placing it together, and we have our center bud ready. So we'll place that to the side, and as we construct our sunflower, we are going to be using the 4 larger paper sizes, and so we are going to use our own fingers. You can also use a paper shaping tool if you wanted to, but I like to use my hand as well. So I am pulling them upward and just creating more dimension on them. And when you place one layer on top of the other, make sure that the petals are staggering. So you don't want to place one exactly on top of the other for this particular design. So again, I'm folding them upward, creasing them just a little bit to add some more dimension, placing them together on the next layer using our Barely Art glue here, and again staggering. So this layer will actually be matching the one on the very bottom, and then we will continue on with our final layer of the large paper size. And so piercing it upward, as you see here, I do tend to close it as I go up on my flower. I close the petals more and more going upward, and as you see, we are going to have a nice and full bottom layer here, and then this is where we get the next size of the petals. So continuing on, placing one on the other and making sure that it is staggered. So this part is a little bit harder because the petal sizes are different, but you do want to continue that staggering process that we've been doing. And we're going to finish off with the last small petal size. And I also use a paper shaping tool, or you can use a kebab stick to kind of push down, or your nails or your finger just to push down and make sure that the glue actually adheres to the paper. And I'm closing down this brown paper flower bud. We're going to be placing this in the middle. And again, I'm using something to push it down, making sure everything's glued together, and there is our paper sunflower. It's such a cute idea, and the SVG is actually going to be available for you for free. And make sure to like and subscribe to the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop for more great paper craft tutorials.